If you're looking for a simple yet powerful sauna heater that provides the perfect balance of functionality and steam, the Homecraft H-Series may be the sauna heater for you. Welcome to the Sauna Place. I'm Brian. Today we're unboxing the Homecraft H-Series sauna heater. The H-Series is a wall-mounted sauna heater that is engineered for durability and efficiency. Let's take a look. The stainless steel construction looks fantastic with a sleek and durable outer shell. The heater unit itself is lightweight yet sturdy at 42 pounds. The H-Series features a compact rock compartment designed for efficient heat up. The heater comes with the essential mounting hardware for secure wall installation, as well as a user manual and safety guide. Right out of the box, you can see the Homecraft H-Series is designed for both performance and durability. Its all stainless steel build ensures longevity, while the compact design makes it a perfect fit for a variety of saunas. A wall-mounted design, best positioned 12 inches from the floor. It has a corrosion-resistant stainless steel build, ideal for high humidity environments. The H-Series has a fast heating capacity, reaching full temperature in just 20 to 30 minutes. The Homecraft H-Series is built to maximize efficiency in a sleek, space-saving design. Its stainless steel housing resists corrosion, making it a long-lasting investment for your sauna. Now let's talk about the power requirements. This requires a TKE 2-2 digital sauna control panel that features a preheat timer up to 8 hours and a 60-minute run time. The H-Series requires a standard 2-gang electrical box for wall mounting, and an external temperature sensor ensures accurate heat regulation. The digital control system makes operating your sauna simple and efficient. With a precise temperature setting and a preset timer, you can enjoy a perfectly heated sauna session whenever you like. The Homecraft H-Series stands out with its rapid heat up time, durable construction, and its digital controls. Whether you prefer a dry sauna or light steam, this heater delivers exceptional performance thanks to its shorter heat up time, 20 to 30 minutes versus 60 plus minutes for standard models, and versatile installation options, suitable for both traditional and barrel saunas. That wraps up our unboxing of the Homecraft H-Series sauna heater. If you're ready to upgrade your sauna or have any questions, visit saunaplace.com or call us at 931-516-6577. Thanks for watching.